This guy committed murders, then wrote their stories.
I'm what you'd call a dedicated journalist. Always first on the scene, always ahead of the story. But, you might not like how I get there. It started with frustration. Always late, always scooped. Then I had an idea. A terrible, brilliant idea. If I created the news, I'd always be first. The first kill was messy, unplanned. But the story, perfect. I was hooked. The thrill of the crime, the rush of the scoop. Each murder more calculated, each story more sensational. The knife, the gun, the rope, all tools of my new trade. I became a star reporter, the go-to guy for crime. My editor loved me. "How do you do it?" he'd ask. If only he knew. The blood on my hands, the lies on my lips. But the police were catching on. I had to up my game. One last story. The biggest yet. My masterpiece. A spree, a rampage, a crescendo of chaos. I wrote as I killed, my finest work yet. But every story has an ending. And this is mine. The sirens grow louder. They're coming for me. Was it worth it? The fame, the awards, the rush? As the cuffs close around my wrists, I realize I've become the story.